Hey, this is Nick from GatesAir. Today we have a lot to show you. Come on in, let's see what's going on. So today I'm here with Andy in our factory, and he's our shipping and logistics specialist. How's it going, Andy?
Hey Nick, good to see you.
Good to see you too. So Andy, I understand that there's a lot of obstacles in shipping, unforeseen things that happen, and our equipment's kind of specialized, so we also usually see some additional obstacles. Can you tell me a little bit more about the logistical challenges that you face on a daily basis?
Sure. How much time do you have?
Well, I don't have that much time, but why don't you give me the short version?
Okay, well, the top three problems that we see in our end of the business is the reliability of the LTL deliveries to the remote locations, increasing costs in all of our shipping products, and just reliability of delivery to the remote locations in a timely manner.
Yeah, I know a lot of the folks that I talk to out in the field that have these shipping requests. They'll ask for different options in terms of can I have it this way or that way. And it's either like LTL or what's the other option?
We also have a primary carrier that we use that does a lot of the hands-on white glove service that we offer.
Okay.
Small truck, lift gate, remote locations. They're there to help the customers get it in place if needed, if they request that.
Okay, so help me understand what's the two differences, because usually there's also a big difference in price too.
Yes, the LTL is a little more cost up front on the crating aspect of it. We do that to protect the product. LTL carriers typically try to get as much product as they can to remote locations if you can cross dock. So we definitely want to protect it from getting scratched, dented, tipped over, etc. Our primary carrier, they do more of a hands-on white glove service where they'll help the customer get it in place, help them offload it, small truck, lift gate, and they're really, really good about doing the more remote locations, specialized delivery. They may need plywood to get over gravel. There's some steps to go up. Stuff like that an LTL carrier typically will not do.
So it's nice at least that there's two different options, because I know some do need that white glove service, and then on the other hand, sometimes it's like just drop it off right at the station.
Yep,
we'll take it from there.
Absolutely.
Cool. Well, thanks for letting me check this out. Let's go look at some other shipping stuff.
Let's do it.
Okay. So Andy, how do we ensure that our transmitters leave the dock here in the best possible shape, arrive safe and secure on the other end, from your standpoint?
We custom crate everything that's going international and LTL in wood for whatever product that needs to be crated. Over here you can see we have multiple tops and sides cut out. Everything, not just our transmitters, but there's line items as well that needs to be crated for protection, so everything is custom crated as needed.
So we don't have anything pre-manufactured?
We have nothing pre-manufactured. Everything you see crated that arrives at your dock that's manufactured in Quincy is built right here in the wood shop in Quincy.
Oh, cool. So Andy, I know we've got a lot of stuff going on in our shipping department. Different transmitter models change. Today it could be a TV transmitter. Tomorrow it could be a radio transmitter. Do we have any hidden shipping fees or anything like that, or costs for?
No, sir. Our order administrators do a really good job of getting all the information needed from the customer for all the delivery and the crating specifications. We take that back to our carriers, and when we obtain a quote and supply it to the customer, that is the price that they pay, unless there are some unforeseen issues that we do not know about.
Yeah, good. So I think it's safe to say we're not in the shipping business.
Exactly.
So Andy, it looks like we've got a couple different options behind us here. What are the differences between the two?
The wooden crate here is crated for LTL and international shipment, and the one wrapped right here is our white glove primary care provider, who will just wrap it, strap it, and pad it for customized delivery.
Gotcha. So this one looks like this one's going to California, so it's beach bound.
Yes, sir. Fun on the sun.
And this one's going way overseas.
That one's going overseas, and that's why that one's crated. Yes, sir.
Gotcha. And then it has a tip and tell. What is that?
Actually, the tip and tell indicates to the customer that it has remained upright the entire time during shipment, and nothing was laid down or damaged, hopefully during shipment.
Good. Well, thanks for letting me see a little bit of what happens behind the scenes here.
Thank you.